Google Drive is Google's answer to cloud computing, and it has something for every single budget, starting with free. Google Drive is a part of Google Suites. In this course, you will learn how every other part of Google Suites interacts with and corresponds to Google Drive. You'll learn how to upload, download videos, text, documents, sheets. Every single thing fits in Google Drive when you know how it works properly, but it can be confusing. This course is going to demystify the Google Drive process. It's going to become a great tool for you to use and everyone in your office. I'm so excited to partner with some real experts on Google Drive. In this course, you're going to learn directly from Yingying Chen and Benson Chen, two people who have immersed themselves in every aspect of Google Drive and are now ready to teach you how to make the most of it. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign in right now.